Hello guys, everybody is welcome in the study room. Through this video, we will learn a total of 50 MCQ, okay, which are very important for TPSC preliminary upcoming exam. And our topic today is the Constitution. I hope this video will be very useful to you. So friend, then let's see the question and answers without delay. So today's first question is, which body framed the Constitution of Independent India? Options are Drafting Committee, Constituent Assembly, Union Constitution Committee, or a Working Committee. So let's see the answer. And correct answer is friend option A. It's Drafting Committee. Next question number 2. The Constituent Assembly was set up in which year? 1945, 1946, 1947 or 1949? And correct answer will be option B, which is 1946. Coming to next question, question number 3. Who among the following was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Options are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sachindranondo Sinha, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Let's see the correct answer. It's option C, which is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, question number 4. Who among the following was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Lal Bahadur Shastri, P. Upendra. And correct answer is friend option A, which is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Coming to next question, question number 5. The Constituent of India, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Governor General, Constituent Assembly, British Parliament, none of the above. And correct answer will be friend option B, which is Constituent Assembly. Next question number 6. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constituent Committee, Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, J.B. Kripalini, Rajendra Prasad. And correct answer will be friend option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, question number 7. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, B.N. Rao, Mahatma Gandhi. And correct answer is friend, it is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, question number 8. Who among the following was the chairman of steering committee of the Constituent Assembly? So correct answer is friend option B, Rajendra Prasad. Next question, question number 9. Who among the following was the chairman of States Committee of the Constituent Assembly? And options are Rajendra Prasad, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, B. N. Rao. And correct answer will be friend option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, question number 10. Who among the following was the chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee of the Constituent Assembly? And options are J.B. Kripalini, Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar, Gopinath Bordoloi. And correct answer is friend option A, which is J.B. Kripalini. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? Options are USA, Nepal, India, UK. And correct answer is friend option D, which is UK. Next question, question number 12. The Constitution of the India was adopted on 26th January 1950, 26th January 1949, 26th November 1949 or 31st December 1949. So let's see the correct answer. Correct answer is friend option C, 26th November 1949. Next question number 13. How many schedules does the Constitution of India contain? How many schedules? Options are 9, 10, 11 or 12. And correct answer is friend option D, it's 12. Next question number 14. Under which article of Constitution Jammu and Kashmir does enjoy special constitutional position? Options are Article 370, Article 356, Article 170, Article 124. Correct answer is friend option A, Article 370. Next question, question number 15. Which of the following is a feature to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Options are dual judiciary, a single citizenship, 3 lists in the Constitution, a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. And friend, correct answer will be option D, which is a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Next question, question number 16. It is which of the following is not a tool to legislative control over administration in India? Options are questions, resolutions, dissolutions of House, no confidence motion. And correct answer is friend option C, dissolution of House. Next question, question number 17. In which year were the Indian states recognized on the legislative basis? 1947, 1951, 1956 or 1966? So friend, correct answer is option C, 1956. Next question, question number 18. The Article 17 and 18 of Constitution provide social equality, economic equality, political equality or religious equality. And correct answer will be friend option A, social equality. Next question number 19. The Constitution of India describes India as quasi-federal, a union of states, a unitary state, a federation of state and union territories. And correct answer will be friend, it is option B, a union of state. Next question, question number 20. It is how many languages are contained in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? 12, 16, 18 or 22? Correct answer will be friend option D, 22. Next question, question number 21. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution provides for abolition of titles, equality before law, abolition of untouchability, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Correct answer will be friend option C, abolition of untouchability. Next question, question number 22. Article 370 of the Constitution of India provides for options temporary provisions for Jammu and Kashmir, special provisions in respect of Nagaland, provisions in respect of the financial emergency, none of these. The correct answer is friend, it is option A, temporary provisions for Jammu and Kashmir. Coming to next question, question number 23. Who among the following was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? M.A. Jinnah, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru or Lal Bahadur Shastri? And correct answer will be friend option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question, question number 24, which is The majority of the provisions of Indian Constitution can be amended often by the Parliament alone, by the state legislature acting together, only on ratification by half of the states with the joint approval of the Parliament and state legislature. And correct answer will be friend option A, by the Parliament alone. Next question, question number 25. A proclamation of emergency under Article 352 on account of war or aggression requires approval of the Parliament within 1 month, 2 months, 4 months, 6 months. Correct answer will be friend option A, 1 month. Next question, question number 26. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution affords options diplomatic privileges and immunities, land reforms legislation of in India, special states of Jammu and Kashmir state, special status of Jammu and Kashmir state, duties and rights of Lokpal. And correct answer will be friend option C, which is special status of Jammu and Kashmir states. Next question, question number 27. In our constitution, economic planning is included in union list, concurrent list, state list, or not any specified list. And correct answer is friend concurrent list. So before coming to next question, another thing friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned by pressing the bell icon. Okay friends, so let's see the next question, question number 28. Which constitutional amendment gave precedence to the directive principles of states policy over fundamental rights? 42nd, 44th, 52nd, or 56th? And correct answer is friend option A, 42nd. Next question number 29. Question number 29 is, which of the following expression does not figure in the preamble to the Indian Constitution? Secular, federal, socialist, sovereign, democratic, republic. Correct answer is friend option B, federal. Next question, question number 30. The basic features of the Indian Constitution which are not amendable under Article 368 are options judicial review and the federal system, sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system and judicial review. Option C, sovereignty, territorial integrity and parliamentary system of government. Sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system and judicial review and parliamentary system of government. And correct answer is friend option D, which is sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system and judiciary review and parliamentary system of government. Next question, question number 31. Which part of the constitution of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Part 1, part 2, part 4, part 5. And correct answer is friend option C, part 4. Question number 32. Which is the national flower of India? Rose, lotus, lily, sunflower. And correct answer is friend, everybody knows, lotus. Next question, question number 33. Which amendment act introduced changes in the preamble of the Constitution? Options are the 38th Amendment Act 1975, the 14th Amendment Act 1974, the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, or option D, the 44th Amendment Act 1979. And correct answer is student option C, the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Next question, question number 34. What is the motto incorporated under our national emblem? Options are Jai Hind, Satyameva Jayate, Satyam Shivam, Amendment Act, Sundaram. And correct answer is student option B, Satyameva Jayate. Next question number 35. By which amendment were fundamental duties added to the Constitution? Options: the 14th Amendment Act, the 42nd Amendment, the 44th Amendment, the 45th Amendment. And correct answer is student option B, the 42nd Amendment. Next question, question number 36. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? 14, 15, 16 or 17? And correct answer is student option D, 17. Next question, question number 37. Which of the following countries enjoys a federal form of government? China, Cuba, USA, Belgium. And correct answer is friend option C, USA. Next question, question number 38. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? 395, 396, 398 or 399? And correct answer is friend option A, 395. Next question, question number 39. Although union list, state list and concurrent list cover the entire legislative business, yet there may be an item not mentioned anywhere. Who will legislate on that item? State legislature only, parliament only, both A and B, neither A nor B. And correct answer is option B, parliament only. Next question, question number 40. A financial emergency can be declared by applying Article 371, Article 370, Article 361 or Article 360. And correct answer is option D, Article 360. Let's see the next question, question number 41. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the Act of 1861, Act of 1909, Act of 1919 or Act of 1935. And correct answer is option D, Act of 1935. Next question, question number 42. There is no provision in the Constitution for the impeachment of the Governor, Vice President, Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of High Court. And correct answer is option A, Governor. Next question, question number 43. Consent of the people means consent of all people, a few people, majority of the people, leader of the people. Correct answer is option A, majority. Sorry, option C, majority of the people. Next question, question number 44. When was our national anthem first sung and where? Options. Option A, 24th January 1950 in Delhi. Option B, 24th January 1950 in Allahabad. 26th December 1942 in Calcutta. 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. And correct answer is option D, which is 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. Next question, question number 45. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution inserted the two words socialist and secular in the preamble? 40th, 42nd, 44th or 45th? And correct answer is option B, 42nd. Next question number 46. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. 6th January 1952, 15th August 1948, 26th November 1949. And correct answer is friend option A, 26th January 1950. Next question, question number 47. The term caste was derived from English, German, Dutch, Portuguese. And correct answer is friend option D, Portuguese. Next question, question number 48. The term Greater India denotes political unity, cultural unity, religious unity, or social unity. The correct answer is friend option B, cultural unity. Next question, question number 49. Which is an extra constitutional body? Language Commission, Election Commission, Planning Commission, Finance Commission. And correct answer is friend option C, Planning Commission. And today's last question is, the declaration of constitutional emergency in an India state has to be approved by the parliament within a period of 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And correct answer is friend option B, option A, which is 2 months. So friends, so far today, if you like it, you must share the video. Thanks for staying with us. Thank you.